squares to make the square. We already know that's a square. I want to see something like this, where you have put different blocks together. So you know this is what? Okay, so it's got how many sides? So use other blocks here to make this. Use other blocks to make this. That's one example here.
I did.
So what did you use to make this?
Wait, is this
No, what is this shape? Okay, so is this symmetrical?
This is not one right here.
Like you folded this piece of paper in half. If you fold this shape over, is it going to match up?
No.
If I fold this over, is that going to match up? Okay, so then is this shape symmetrical?
Wait,
Is this shape symmetrical? Is that what you, is it? Well, is it yes or no? Okay, so where's the line of symmetry? Where'd you fold it? So where did you draw the line to fold it? So on this vertex, right? Okay, so then, oops. So now that's what you're going to say on here. It says, is it possible to make symmetrical designs using different pattern blocks? Is what you did here. Which blocks did you use? How many different pattern blocks did you use? Which ones did you use? How did you use? How many lines of symmetry did your design have? Were you able to identify a shortcut or easier way to create a symmetrical design? That is something that you got to think about too. But I'm not going to take it at regular and irregular polygons. So y'all need to be working together down here, so they can see what you're doing and you can talk about it. Then you determine what is symmetrical and go through each one of those questions. You're going to have to be down here so you can all talk about it and come up with your answer. Here, I'm going to give you some more.
But you already figured out. You did all yours.
Don't just come up and make a design. Is this you've got to be able to explain how what you use. Now this is just two different shapes. So you got to be able to explain if you're using this by answering these questions down here. Okay, which ones you use and how many? And you need to be talking about how they're symmetrical. When you look at that shape, is it symmetrical and why? And explain it. Okay? Get down here. Look at this. Use all of them. You should also think about how can I make this shape? How can I make this shape? How can I make this shape? And empty space in the middle of the shape after you get done making it.
That's the only way it's gonna be a right angle. No, that's making it eccentric. Nobody said you see if you do it like that, it's still not gonna be a right angle. There is no more right angle. Which one are you doing?
But now that you know what the end, the outcome.
Parallelogram. Are these your trapezoid? No.
How many sides?
Yeah. Never mind.
So let's do it like that. That's the two different. What mean?
Money, stop asking me stuff, please.
Like, if you're trying to do that,
So what did you make?
A rhombus.
Okay.
He showed it.
All right, you marked one off your list. That's good. So see, he flipped them around and does that look like a square? He flipped them around and used them in different.